Hi guys, so this is the before look of my oven. It's not really that bad because on a normal basis I just use a soapy sponge to like scrub the bottom of the oven and just wipe it down with a damp towel. But today I decided to give my oven a deep and thorough cleaning. Okay, so this is the after look. Alright, if you're interested to see how I deep cleaned my oven, then keep on watching. So the items you will need for this is just some baking soda. This is the baking soda I'm going to be using, and some white vinegar. Okay, these are the two main ingredients or cleaning supplies you need for this. And also you'll be needing some sponge and your kitchen towel. Okay, so first of all I'm going to start off by removing the things I have in my oven, like the baking pans, the rack and the oven tray. I'm going to be washing the rack and the oven tray as well. Okay, those are the two main things I'm going to be washing from the oven. So let's start cleaning. Alright, right now I'm just going to sprinkle some of that baking soda on the oven door and inside the oven as well, just like you can see here now. And then I'll start sprinkling the white vinegar on top of the baking soda, just like so. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to leave it for some minutes so that the baking soda and the vinegar can do their job in the oven. Okay, now while that is sitting, I'm going to wash the oven rack and the oven tray. So I'm just adding some of the baking soda inside a bowl, and then I added some of the white vinegar and poured just a little bit of water to it, because that white vinegar has 6% of acidity. So I need to add some water to it to how do I put it, you know what I mean, guys. So after I'm done with mixing that together, I'm just going to rub it on the oven rack and set that aside while I wash the oven tray. So once I'm done washing the oven tray with the baking soda, vinegar and water solution, I'm going to go in for the second time using my dish washing soap to like give it a thorough cleaning. Then once I'm done washing the oven tray, I'm just going to use a kitchen towel to like wipe the excess water and set that aside. So I'm going to repeat that same thing with the oven rack. Now back to the oven. It's been some minutes. I think it's been up to 10 minutes now. Basically you can leave it for as long as you want. Okay, once you check and see that the thing has started peeling off, like that marks there, you can then go ahead and wash it properly. So now I'm scrubbing it with the sponge. I'm using the hard part of the sponge to like give it a thorough scrub. Okay, first I was using the old sponge and it wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I had to like switch to a new one. As you can see now, this part is very clean, like it's like magic, guys. You need to try this baking soda and white vinegar. If your oven door is really bad, then this is going to do the job for you. Okay, So as you can see now, this part is nice and clean. So I'm going to rinse the sponge and then I'll move on to the inside of the oven. Again, I'm using the hard part of the sponge to scrub the oven. Just give it a thorough scrub. Just take your time, guys. Make sure you get to every part of your oven. It's your oven. So after I'm done scrubbing that, I'm going to go in for the second time using my dish washing soap to give it a very nice scrubbing, like to make it look more sparkling clean, if you know what I mean. So after that, I'll use my damp towel to wipe it down. We are almost there. So coming to the outside of the oven, I'm going to scrub it really well and then I'll wipe it down with the towel as well. And make sure you get to all those tiny parts, like what you can see me doing here now. Alright, at this point I'm done cleaning the oven, like I'm literally done, but I wasn't satisfied with how the oven door is looking. It's looking so cloudy. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to like loose the nuts and open the door, then I can go in and like give it a really cleaning so that it will look sparkling clean. Okay, so when you are losing the nuts, make sure you keep them where you can, you know, identify which one is which. Do not misplace them. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm getting rid of the cloudiness and this is what it turns out looking like. Isn't it looking much more better now than when it was looking so cloudy? Okay, I'm done cleaning that and I'm just tightening it back again, like placing the nuts where they are supposed to be. And voila, guys, look at my oven. It's looking sparkling clean. Like, can you see how shiny it looks? I am super excited that I was able to get this done because I've been like postponing it. Today I'll say tomorrow, tomorrow I'll say next tomorrow, but I'm super excited that I was able to do it today and I decided to share with you guys, and hopefully I was able to motivate you to go deep clean your oven. So I'm putting back the things I took out from the oven, and that's it, guys. That's pretty much how I deep cleaned my oven. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video to everyone. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.